Tilly. Tilly. Bang. Tilly, jump. Who's a good girl? Want to go outside? Oh. Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Sit. I didn't say roll over. Jump. 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 You suck at these tricks. Tilly. Sit. No. That's not the right one. Do you want to go for a ride? Do you want to go find your ball? Do you want to go outside? That's what you want to do. Do you want to go sit on the couch? Do you want to go eat some food? Yeah? Tilly, do you want to go inside? Do you want to go outside? Yeah, that's what you want to do, isn't it? Tilly, where's Corbin? Where's Corbin? Where's James? Yep, they're outside. Want to go outside? Okay, sit. Tell me how bad do you want to go? You gotta sit. Sit. Please, 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 please. Okay, let's go outside. Okay.